Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We want to welcome you to this presentation that we're going to be sharing with all of you. Now, we are a private community that is helping thousands of families become financially independent, whether it be get out of debt or whatnot. So we believe in a better living every day. As a community, we like to put our resources to work, okay, because we know a lot of people are frustrated and burnt out and need a helping hand in these bad economic times that we're living in right now. Now, we want you to work smart, not hard, okay? A little smart money. We want to help you rebuild your wealth and show you something that is not network marketing, that is not MLM, that is not gifting. This is a true opportunity to help as many people as possible through our private community. Now, how do we achieve better living every day with inside our community? Now, if you're looking for a successful way to put your money to work at a higher rate of interest, you come to the right place. Now, we are not a high yield investment program or anything like that. What we want you to do is invite you to a special private group, us, who qualifies to give you 2.15% a day on your money compounding. Now, what's the difference between that and a bank? You make maybe that on a annually basis at a bank account or a savings account at your bank. Now, we're going to show you how you get 2.15% a day on your money simply by helping companies and big corporations stay afloat, okay? This is huge. Now, we are supported by a 10-year-old international UK-based lending group which provides 100% asset protection, insured loans to these businesses worldwide. So our money is not at risk, and we're going to show you how to put your money to work for you, okay? This is truly amazing. That's why thousands of people are joining and coming to our site and joining with us every single day. Now, we are individuals who are rewarded by ProSun as they support companies and business with sustaining and creating jobs worldwide. Now, these huge corporations and businesses, they need money to pay their payroll. They have their money tied up and they can't access their money sometimes, but they have to make payroll. And what do? They have to take out short-term bridge loans through corporations and lending firms like us with our money, lending them, which in turn, we charge them a high interest rate on a daily basis for these, 5-day loans, 20-day loans, and it goes up to 6 months. And they're willing to pay a high interest rate on the money that we lend them. And guess what? It comes back in us as that 2.15%. This is how we sustain it. It's been going on forever, and I'm going to go into more detail here in just a second. Now, our money and everything is 100% back and insured, okay? Insured by these bridge loans with these lending banks and everything, because they have to put up hard assets before we even look at them to even, put our money to work for ourselves. Now, we are a private funding group for bridge loans. Us collectively are using our money together to do these loans. Now, we support the development of business bridge loans that keep a business in business, which in turn creates jobs so these companies don't go under to lay off people. And in turn, we can help them stay afloat, which generates income for us and keeps these families and people that work for them in a job, okay? We create instant cash flow is required for them. When bank loans would take too long, that's why we give them these bridge loans, because they need it now. To avoid corporate or personal bankruptcy, an expedient option for reconstruction of debt. If the borrower does not meet the banking lending criteria because they need it in such a short period of time. And you can see all these lists right here. This is what we do when we lend them the money. So this is the backing of our company, or the program, and who we are, okay? We're a licensed parent company of Interref Ltd, and they're located in London, England, and the founder is Roman Novak. Now, the ownership is multiple companies inside of this, and each with a nominee director. Okay, the financial lending experience, we have over 10 years of doing this, and doing this very successful. Now, we do hard money lending for over 6 years, and the private groups with pastors and everybody like us in our private group, we've been going over 3 years. Now, we currently manage over $200 million, okay? This is huge. And we have over 30,000 loan customers, which are repeat businesses and corporations that use our service to keep them afloat because we are respectable and we provide them the great rates, which in turn they constantly keep coming back to us, which in turn is able to give you that 2.15% on your money. Now, there's over 20 private groups inside the umbrella of ProSun, and we are one of the private groups that's able to provide you with the 2.15% money interest on your money a day. The risk is very low. We have over 2,000 batch spread. The loan type, which is hard money, collateral lending, they have to have collateral, and we are insured on the other percent that's not covered by the asset, so our money is never at risk. Now, we can do the funding as little as 12 hours for these corporations and businesses because most of them are repeat customers, and we constantly help them out and lend them the money. After we reach $1.5 billion, we will stop letting new people come into our private community, okay? We will reach the top where we need because we're going to have plenty of money to do this, and we'll be able to help even more businesses and corporations. So we're shutting it down at $1.5 billion. And right now you have the chance to be involved in our private community and be able to benefit from years to come, but you have to take that action and join right away, and you'll have that option right after this video is over, okay? Now let's go on to the next one. Now it's free to sign up with our organization, so we're going to show you a link at the end of this where just get a free account, and then we're going to have you send us your information so we can personally contact you and answer all your questions and show you why you need to do this and how you can generate a significant amount of income for yourself and your family, okay, whether to pay off a credit card debt, a college loan, just to get out of debt, a mortgage payment, or pay off your mortgage, that is. It's pretty big, all right? Now you can see all these starter plans. This is not for us. This is for the general public right here. We are a private group, which we're going to get paid 2.15%. If you were able to get involved with this and you know where to go with Profitable Sunrise, you wouldn't get the high interest rate. You'd get 1.6 to 2.0, okay? And then referrals, you'd only get 5% on their referrals. And we get 3 tiers because every person that we share it with, because we want to help as many families and people get this great opportunity as well, you're going to make a 5% referral on a daily basis, whatever they generate on their interest, and then 3% on whoever they share, and 1% on whoever they share. So it's a 3-tier. Okay, which you can start doing the numbers, and if you have anything to do with math and know how this works, it is flipping unreal. That's why we have so many business owners, bankers, owners of banks are coming in. They're just blown away because they understand what this is. We have real estate brokers and real estate investors that are coming in. It's huge, okay, guys? Now, with the NGF Global Private Group, we're paid 2.15% compounded daily. So just let that compound until where you want, or you can just start taking your interest out every single day, guys. This is where that daily income comes in. If you build your principal up wherever you want it, just start taking that principal out whenever you need it. Every single day, or that interest every day, you can live off of that. It's pretty big, guys. Now, you can read all this stuff right here. Your personal referrals, you get 5% on level 1. I think actually this is 3% on level 2 and 1% on level 3, paid daily, that you can take out. It's pretty amazing, okay? Now, on your principal, let's say you started with $5,000 and you started getting 2% a day on it, and you start letting it compound. You get your principal back after the 170 days when that loan matures, okay? You can take out the interest every single day you want on there, build it up however big you want, but at the end you'll get all the interest back if you decide to compound it, and you'll get your initial principal back, your $5,000 that you started with. Or you can compound it on a daily basis or withdraw your interest on a daily basis. Now, you can withdraw your funds as little as 60 seconds every single day when they process your interest at 7 p.m. Pacific time. Every morning you'll see your interest that you made for that day. Either you can reinvest that and compound it or withdraw it that day. It's as simple as that, and that's why so many people are amazed how easy this is. So if you're somebody that's never made money in any program online, you need to take a very close look at this, and we need to talk, okay? It's that big. Now, we can do wire transfers, and you can just read up on this. I don't have to go over all this here, okay? Now, there's no sponsorship requirement, and let me get this very clear with you guys. We are not network marketing. We're not MLM. We're not a business, okay? We help businesses. We help people that need money to sustain, a business to keep jobs, all right? And they're paying us a huge interest on our money. So I just want to make sure to get that network marketing mentality out of your head, okay? Because this is nothing like that. So you don't have to sponsor or anything like that. So what we want you to do right now, I know I've taken enough of your time, we want you to click the link below so you can get your free position inside of our private organization, and then follow the steps so you can join our community and request some more information from us, because we want to speak to you personally, okay? I want to speak to you personally so we can answer your questions and share with you so you understand how powerful this is, and why you can help so many other people do something that can get them out of a stressful situation that they're dealing with on a financial basis. So with that, guys, on behalf of our whole private community, we want to wish you, the great success whatever you guys decide to do. God bless you, and we'll see you on the sign up page. So make sure you secure your spot right now after this video. Click that link below and get yourself at least a free spot, and contact us or send us your information so we can contact you and get you started. God bless you guys.